So first up is a product that's close to my heart, Minenssey Flannel Flower Absolute. Now, if you've been watching Beauticate, you will have seen that I've been working with Minenssey as their Chief Experience Officer. This little baby was already around when I came to the brand, and it was actually one of the reasons why I wanted to work with the brand. Absolute is like a highly concentrated serum, and it's flannel flower, which is a beautiful white flower that grows in coastal regions around Australia, and it's really good at protecting itself against drought and dehydration. It's super lightweight, it's not sticky at all, and it's not oily, but it gives you that beautiful glow. I often use a couple of drops in with my moisturizer or with my foundation. It contains 99% active botanical extract, so there are no other nasties in it. So it's an essential step to have in any skincare routine, no matter what you're using.